Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Asghar Ali. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Engineer Study Room. Today I am going to start Unit 2, Matrices and Determinant. First, we will define what is matrix. What is a matrix? A rectangular array of elements enclosed in a large square bracket is called matrix. For example, square bracket includes 1 2 3 0 1 4. These are called elements. These are called elements of matrix. Same as 1 0, this is first column. 0 1, this is our second column. 3 and 4, this is our third column. Same as 1 2 3, this is first row. 0 1 4, this is the second row. Now I am going to define different types of a matrix. There are several types which can be easily defined. Among them, the first one is row matrix. So how can we define a row matrix? 1 2 3. This is called row matrix. This is example of a row matrix. Second one is column matrix. Second one is a column matrix. It includes 1 2 3. This is called column matrix. Okay, now going further, the third one is rectangular matrix. For example, 1 2 3 4 5 6, in the form of a rectangle. Fourth one is square matrix. So example of square matrix is A is a matrix, B is a matrix, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. This is example of a square matrix. The fifth one is diagonal matrix. Now, to define diagonal matrix, we can say that B is a matrix of diagonal if this is called order of matrix 2 cross 2, same as order of matrix 2 0 0 0 3 0 and 0 0 4. Order of matrix is 3 cross 3. Order of matrix is 3 cross 3. So there is a difference in diagonal matrix, that the element below the first element is 0 and the element above the fourth element is 0, same as is in the form of a diagonal, that upper elements are 0 and lower elements are 0, but the first one, the second one, the first one element of first row, the second element of second row, and the third element of third row is not will be 0. This is called diagonal matrix. This is called diagonal matrix. And 1 2 2 rows, 1 and 2 2 columns, so order of matrix is 2 cross 2, same as 1 2 3 3 columns, 1 2 3 3 rows, so 3 cross 3. This is the order of a matrix. First we write rows and second element represent column. 3 cross 3 represent 3 rows and 3 column. Going further, the sixth one is scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. So define scalar matrix, that C is a element, but the element at the first it is same as the diagonal matrix, but the element at the first row and the second element of second row and the third element third row will be the same as another example. You can understand easily that it may be 4 0 0 0 4 0, same as 0 0 and 4. This is the order of the matrix is 3 cross 3, and it is a scalar matrix. It is a scalar matrix. So the last one is unit matrix or identity matrix. Unit matrix or identity matrix. So how can we define unit matrix? I and represent identity matrix. Okay, this is the seventh term, which is unit matrix or identity matrix. It includes the element, the first element at the first row is 1, another one will be 0, same as 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, this is 3 cross 3. If this is 4 cross 4 order of matrix, this order of matrix mean 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 and 1. This is called unity matrix. Another matrix which will be also included in the types of matrix is eighth term, and which is zero matrix. Zero matrix. So how can we write zero matrix? A is a matrix, this is a zero matrix, this is column zero matrix, this is row zero matrix, and also we can write 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. This is zero matrix or null matrix. Hopefully you will understand about different types of matrix. Inshallah, tomorrow we will learn about different terms like addition of matrix, subtraction of matrix, and some other term. Hopefully, inshallah, you will get more and more knowledge from my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.